You have a really themed Christmas.
What is that?
What is that? Oh, you drawn.
Look, look. Tire.
Oh, white tire.
Oh, the white wall tire.
Do you remember that white one?
I do remember.
Another Lightning McQueen.
Let's see how this works, Kylan.
Let's see.
Let's see what Grandma and Grandpa.
Two.
Cool.
Two.
Cool, Daddy. Cool.
Look, you want to draw on there like that?
I could put
No, I gave you a queen.
You have Lightning McQueen.
I what's in there?
I don't know. Why don't you look?